This is 1973 Triumph TR7RV. It's a tidy bike to look at, but needs a few jobs. I've not had it running. Turns over and there's compression there. Fuel pipe ain't connected. There's no HT leads. Front brake needs bleeding. The brakes work on it. The gear select, the back brake works on it, the gear select, and the clutch works. The seat's not fixed down on it. There's no battery. Looks like a couple of wires need sorting out there. I'd look inside the tank, that's clean. I'll have to rub some paint off to get a good look at the VIN number. That's all good.